What's going on, YouTube land? Hope everybody's well. It is the final start date of the week here, and it is the 48-hour group build night. Very excited. So, as you can see, we are all cleaned up, ready to go. We've got our kit right here. This is going to be a lot of fun. If you are not participating and you just like watching model channels, there's going to be a lot of people posting video clips on their channels. There's going to be lots of activity this weekend, which is very exciting. I always get kind of jazzed up by that. And then, of course, I'm one of the hosts of the AMC Livecast. The AMC Livecast will be live throughout the whole weekend on different timelines. So Bruce has got a schedule posted on that. So check out the AMC Livecast YouTube channel. If you haven't already, subscribe to that. If you haven't subscribed to mine, subscribe to mine. I'm going to be trying to get some separate posts of this build onto this channel as well. And I think we might even do like a slideshow at the end of the AMC Livecast on that thing as well. We're kind of working out the details. We're kind of waiting to see how many actual 48-hour group builders are going to pop into the AMC Livecast tonight. That's going to be fun. So check that out. There should be a lot of activity there. Again, if you just like to view, you're going to get to see all the craziness of the first couple hours of everybody's game plan, because you know, you kind of got to set the tone with those first couple hours. Do a little bit of mock-up, get some cleaning, get some bodywork stuff done, and start getting these things in primer. 48 hours goes pretty quick, but it's a lot of ton of fun, really. And maybe it will inspire some of you guys to do this next year. But you can sit back and watch and laugh at us, have fun. Really cool. Comment in the chat. Now, if you are building in 48-hour group build and you want to come on live, that's great. Do that. We would like to see the thing filled up with the maximum is 10 at a time. So if you get in the back room, if you click the link, if somebody dips out for dinner or something like that, then Bruce will bring you in there. Again, remember, this is a family-friendly show. There are kids watching. There are going to be kids that are going to be participating with their parents in this thing. So we want to keep this thing family-friendly. And please respect each other's ideas and opinions and stuff like that. We are going to make sure that we are not going to talk politics or any of that. It's just about having fun, having a good time. And that's what this is all about. And talk model cars, talk real cars, planes, tanks, trucks, whatever you want to talk about. It's going to be a lot of fun. So join us tonight. It's going to be good. So other than that, I think I've got like 3 hours and 25 minutes to kill, and then I'll get started here. I believe at the same time we will be live. Again, check it out. If you haven't subscribed to AMC Livecast, go over there and give that a sub. You won't regret it. We have a good time on there. Coming September, we will be full-time every Thursday night again. We're going to run our summer hours through August, and we're going to have fun. Man, I'm itching to get going. Still don't know what color. Maybe that's what I'll do for the next 3 hours. Let's figure out a color. So, see you in a little bit. Peace out.